your comments, both of your pre-interview notes. Gunjan, inflation is front and center, and if the backdrop of the reappointment of Jay Powell. But, that's where we are in Gunjan. You point out that his reaction, if inflation is not as transitory as we hope, his reaction is going to be key to what happens to the stock market.
That's right. I mean, that's been one of the biggest wild cards of the year, as you and I have discussed, right? Does inflation stick around for much longer? And that's going to alter the path for these tech stocks, which took a big hit yesterday. And I think what people are trying to do right now is figure out, what are the winners and losers of the next phase of this economic recovery and the next phase of monetary policy, right? We're seeing that with Zoom pre-market down 8-9% as sales disappointed, and with other tech stocks throughout the week, with the FANG stocks, the chip makers taking a big hit.
And just a similar thinking, Carrie, I wish we had more time, but you point out that the market was relieved because they know Jay Powell, and their participants know Jay Powell, have a good feel for it. But that begs the question, is the market relieved because he's going to continue to leave the punch bowl where it is, or the market's relieved because they think he can be effective in stemming inflation?
Well, the market likes what it knows better than what it doesn't. And Brainard would not be the first choice. Clearly, she'd be controversial. And the market was, just saying, at least we know this guy. We know there's inflation. The market is positioning itself with the understanding that inflation is here. It mostly is supply chain and COVID related. It could persist. And we've had this rotation where companies that are able to pass on some inflation, if you look at, moves in Netflix or CRM, Microsoft, these are all subscription models that have built-in inflation hedges. And that really runs across the gamut. Companies that don't are having trouble in this environment. And we've been seeing that kind of part of the market moves over the past 6 months, and that should continue. So it's why we would favor those types of stocks where you can be fairly sure that they can price more to their consumers, whether they're industrial or people in late positions, or you have a subscription model where the price goes up and people take it.
Okay, very good. We're going to have to end it there. We don't have a lot of time left. Carrie and Gunjan, thank you.